Well, I got my tractor back yesterday. Got it all fixed up. Not yesterday. Fucking Tuesday I got it back. I don't know. Fucking grain cramp or some crap. But I got it all back. Fucking, they put 2 new spark coils in it. 2 new spark plugs. And I put in the air filter. So now it runs like a freaking beaut. Freaking runs awesome. I mean, you do a cold start of it. We got good 2 inches of snow last night. We're supposed to get another 4 tonight. I'll do a cold start video of it if I can get the camera to be in the right position. Yeah, I'll be like that. Alright. There's a cold start. Runs nice and smooth now. Fucking way better. Got the plow on it. Ready to plow. I already did my driveway like freaking 3 times. Snow's finally let up a little bit, but it's supposed to come back tonight and get another 4 inches. I'll go up the driveway with it. Runs so much better. Nothing here really to plow. I can drop a blade though. Well, that's that. Kind of bored, figured I'd make a video. Shut that off. I'll do another cold start tomorrow morning, let it sit out overnight, give it a cold start test. I don't know how cold it's supposed to be tonight. Right now it's like 25 degrees. But I'll make another video tomorrow morning. But yeah, happy now I got my tractor all fixed up, so now it runs freaking awesome. Now all it needs is an oil change. Well, I figured I'd make a video because I got bored. Well, yeah, see you later, YouTube.